So I'm going to do a more comprehensive video on this lift project and tires. I'm working on it, but all I'm going to say right now is I got this thing lifted and the rear suspension done correctly. What I did is an add-a-leaf in rough country N3 nitrogen shocks. Went to a different shop and they nailed it. They nailed it. So much better. Got about 3 inches of total lift on the back and just over 2 inches on the front. But these BFG TA-KO2 tires are really aggressive and noisy compared to the Michelins that I had on there before. So they're going to come off, and I went with a different tire, and I'll show you what I'm going to go with. My hat's off to Discount Tire. These are the original tires I had on there for 3 years. Drama-free, great tires. Michelin LTX mud and snow tire. And I went one size up, but these are the tires I'm going to replace the BFGs with, the Michelin LTX AT2. So I'm looking for a little bit less aggressiveness and much more behaved on-road capability than the BFGs. So more to follow, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.